Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much a Subaru BRZ costs. We'll start by looking at the overall price range for a new BRZ, which offers an exciting driving experience. You'll discover the starting price for the base model and how much the top-tier versions typically cost. This will give you a clear picture of the initial investment for this popular sports coupe, helping you plan your purchase. Let's dive into the entry-level premium trim. This model offers a fantastic starting point for enthusiasts, featuring a powerful 2.4-liter boxer engine with 228 horsepower. You'll also get standard 17-inch alloy wheels and bright LED headlights, making it a well-equipped sports car right from the start. It's a great value for performance. Moving up, the limited trim enhances your driving experience with features like larger 18-inch wheels and comfortable heated front seats. For those seeking maximum performance, the TS trim offers specialized SD-iTunes suspension and a high-performance Brembo braking system. These upgrades provide a more dynamic and engaging ride. Beyond the trim levels, consider optional features like an automatic transmission, which adds about $850 to the limited model. The BRZ also offers respectable fuel economy, achieving around 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 on the highway. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.